what age earns the most, and what age has the most wealth. Here's the twist. Peak income and peak net worth happen at different points in life. These are median numbers for US households. The middle household, not the mega rich, skewing the average. And income here is before tax income. Let's start with median income by age. Under 35, the median income is $60,500. Ages 35 to 44 jump to $85,900. Ages 45 to 54 hit the peak income at $91,900. Then it cools off. Ages 55 to 64 are at $81,900. Ages 65 to 74 income drops to $60,900. And 75 plus drops to $49,100. So income peaks around your late 40s to early 50s. Now here's where it gets interesting. Wealth peaks later than income. Median net worth by age, what you own minus what you owe, looks like this. Under 35, the net worth is $39,000. 35 to 44, $135,600. 45 to 54, $247,200. 55 to 64, $364,500. 65 to 74, $409,900 net worth. That's the peak. Then 75 plus, net worth drops to $335,600. So wealth peaks later than income. Why does this happen? Because income is a snapshot, what you make this year. But net worth is a movie. Decades of saving, investing, paying down debt, and compounding. Translation, you don't win just by getting raises. You win by turning income into assets. If your net worth isn't climbing, lifestyle inflation is probably eating your raises. Nicer car, bigger rent, more subscriptions, more treat yourself. Here are 3 moves that work at every age. 1. Raise income with skills that pay. 2. Keep fixed costs under control. 3. Auto-invest every paycheck like it's a bill. Please don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to Statistically Short for more short and long content.